Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Coco and Reno die haul. Hey, it came on time. I've seen a few people already play with this die set, and I cannot wait to get my hands playing with this one. I think it's the B set for the month of April, I think. But look at that, the denim. I love this denim bag. Super cute. Love it. Oh yes, it is the B cutting dies. I am loving this set because of the flowers that they put in this collection. Let's pull it out and see. Put that there. So here we have two words. One says bee, like the animal bee. Is that upside down? Bee, and then the B, like you be quiet. You also get the word be kind. I love that there's a little heart in there, so you get several words. Be kind, be, and be. You also get bright, the word bright. So be bright or be bright. And then you have another word that says, really? Happy? Happy. It was upside down. So be happy and be happy. And then the last word, we got you. Be you. Y-O-U. Be you. Beautiful. Here are the cutting dies of the bee, the animal. Look at that. We can make a shaker if we wanted to. Well, almost a shaker. I don't know. But look at that. So you get the outline. You get the details. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I love it. Then you get a beehive. So beehive, baby, beehive. Here's the flower. To me, it looks like a hibiscus. Unless it's just my mind. I just want to see hibiscus, you know. Anyway, you get the main flower and you get the outline. If you can figure out how, there it goes. It goes like that. And you get the outline for it also. You get this fancy bee. It's a swirly bee, a very intricate cut for this little bee right here. So very cute. Oh my gosh. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You get 12 dies, guys, for this collection. So I can't wait to get playing with this. I still have to play with the previous collection, which is like, it has like rain boots and gardens theme, you know, stuff like that. I want to play, but there's just not enough hours and energy in the day to play with everything. So I hope you guys check them out, cocoandreno.com. There's a monthly subscription that you can sign up for. That's how I get my dies. They also have a monthly subscription for their stamps. I don't do the stamps because, yeah, it's a hit or miss with me all the time. So yeah, check it out. Check it out. These are adorable. And they come in this beautiful sack. Love it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.